because your vision is truly our mission. And this journey was so powerful for me that I now want to show you how you can build your dream business as well, like I had done a few years ago, and still keep going. I am now able to speak also internationally, and it gives me so much pleasure to do that. And we provide a range of business training and development, IT support in terms of helping businesses set up the necessary online processes to scale their business, also to start from scratch, also to executive management consulting. So a range of different types of performance related coaching and consulting. So really what I have discovered over the years of working with a variety of people is that you have limited potential. You have limitless potential. The only limitation that may be standing on your way perhaps is your own thinking. And this is what I had to discover. I used to think that my environment controlled. It was the government, it was my childhood, it was my skills and abilities at the time, when that was wrong. It wasn't that. It was actually somebody had to show me the way to really expand my thinking and show me that I have limitless potential. And now, this is the time for you to really succeed, because it's truly never been easier to start and run your own business. It really never has been easier, and you can literally do it almost with zero capital. It's never been easier to start and run your own business. However, at the same time, a lot of businesses are closing too. So just because we can open them quickly doesn't mean that we are going to make it a long-term success. And I certainly had some of those issues, because actually, let me ask you, if you are a grasshopper. Now, imagine a jar of grasshoppers. Now, I don't know what kinds of games you used to play when you were a kid, but don't worry, I didn't torture any grasshoppers or anything, but I actually did a little bit of these stupid games with some of my friends. You take a bunch of grasshoppers, you put them in a glass jar, you make a hole on the top, and then you just look at the grasshoppers trying to come up and sort of climbing on top of each other. They're all kind of hopping and popping and jumping and climbing over each other, trying to get out of the hole. And getting to that air hole as well. And they are still alive. They are surviving, just about. But what's going to happen is slowly, minutes or hours later, what's going to actually happen is that the grasshoppers are going to all just collate there at the bottom. They're going to collate there at the bottom because they get so tired. They get so tired of trying to climb up and jump in this and trying that and trying these multiple different ways to get out, and just it's not happening. Just exhaustion. Exhaustion hits, and actually when that glass jar is opened, they don't see the opportunity. The opportunity is missed. The grasshoppers don't even try anymore because they are so exhausted. Why? Well, aren't we entrepreneurs very much like this? Now, I'm not entirely sure what your experience of business is, but a lot of the time as entrepreneurs, it's constant trial and error. Lots of different activities. Try this, try that, and millions of different ideas. We try all of them and we keep jumping and trying and getting rejected, just failing in our efforts because the jar is closed. But actually, when the opportunity opens up, we're too tired to notice. We don't have any more energy. And this happened to me. I tried so many different types of businesses, but none of them were the right business for me. I just looked at the business as in just a quick solution for some of my problems at the time. Whereas, yes, it can be a solution, but it has to be set up correctly.